Tripura ranked first in the country in terms of confiscation and destruction of drug paraphernalia. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah said this in a seminar at the auditorium of Tripura Judicial Academy. Assessing the impact of cross-border organized crime and legal solution. A one-day seminar on the subject was held in Tripura on Saturday. This seminar was organized by Tripura Judicial Academy. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah, Chief Justice of Tripura High Court Aparesh Kumar Singh, Supreme Court Justice Sanjay Karol, Sikkim High Court Chief Justice Bishwanath Samaddar, Tripura High Court Justice Arindam Loth, Justice T. Amarnath Gaur, Tripura High Court Advocate General Siddharth Shankar Dey and others. Chief Minister highlighted the ill effects of drugs to discuss in the seminar today. He also pointed out that drugs use leads to the deadly disease AIDS. While discussing this day, the Chief Minister said that the government is following the policy of zero tolerance. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah presented this information about how many drugs have been seized, arrested and registered in the state till June this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that drug abuse and its menace have become major social concern, not only in our country, but all over the world. Our small state of Tripura is also no exception. The problem poses alarming since we are surrounded on three sides by international border with Bangladesh. The international drug traffickers are able to easily use this border as their safe corridor for various reasons. To the younger generation, my message, which once our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji shared in a program called Campaign for Drug-Free India, organized by the Art of Living Foundation in February 2019, is that drug is not cool. It is a big misconception that drugs are a style statement. Illicit drug trafficking and abuse is a serious concern since it poses significant health challenges besides ruining the future of young generation. The younger generation is easily vulnerable to the menace, being easily lured to drugs, be it for excitement, curiosity or drug-related risk behavior or other social problems. The introduction of synthetic drugs and intravenous drugs use leading to HIV, AIDS has added a new dimension to the issue of drug abuse. Narcotic trade is also a great threat to the society and safety and security of the country. It is one of the biggest source of income for the terrorists and international elements. Such black money is used by the terrorists for procuring weapons used in their terror activities. In our state, after the change of guard in 2018, we have declared zero tolerance to drug trafficking with a view to make the state drug-free.
The seminar was attended by lawyers, senior officers of the Defense Administrations, students of Law College and Biswa School. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.